Welcome to Module 3 of Mastering AI with Python. It's time to unlock the power of machine learning with Scikit-learn, a Python library bursting with tools for building intelligent systems. Let's see how to teach computers how to learn from data, make predictions, and even understand complex patterns. No explicit programming needed. In this module, we'll demystify machine learning, breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting, we'll guide you through every step. Get ready to unleash the power of algorithms, explore real-world applications, and discover the magic of turning raw data into valuable insights. Excited? Let's dive in. Imagine training a dog. In supervised learning, you're like the coach, showing labeled examples, pictures of cats and dogs, and giving feedback. The algorithm learns to predict the label, cat or dog, for new images. This is great for tasks like predicting house prices or classifying spam emails, where you have labeled data to guide the learning process. Now, imagine letting your dog explore a park. In unsupervised learning, there's no coach, no labeled data. The algorithm explores the data itself, finding patterns and relationships. It's like your dog noticing that people with frisbees are more likely to play fetch. Unsupervised learning is powerful for tasks like customer segmentation or anomaly detection, where you want to uncover hidden structures in your data. Choosing between supervised and unsupervised learning depends on your goals and data. Need to make predictions based on labeled examples? Supervised learning is your go-to. Want to uncover hidden patterns in your data? Unsupervised learning is the way to go. In this module, we'll focus on supervised learning, particularly regression. But remember, both approaches are valuable tools in a machine learning practitioner's toolkit. Time to get hands-on. Let's build a simple linear regression model using Scikit-learn. Imagine you're a real estate agent trying to predict house prices based on their size. Our dataset will consist of house sizes in square feet and their corresponding prices. Step 1. Import necessary libraries. We'll need Scikit-learn for our model, NumPy for numerical operations, and Matplotlib to visualize our data and results. Think of these libraries as specialized toolboxes, each packed with functions and methods to make our life easier. Step 2. Load and prepare your data. This step is crucial. Clean, well-structured data is the foundation of a successful model. We'll split our data into two sets, one for training our model and another for testing its performance on unseen data. Step 3. Create and train your linear regression model. This is where the magic happens. We'll create an instance of Scikit-learn's linear regression model, then fit it to our training data. The model will learn the relationship between house size and price from the provided examples. Step 4. Make predictions and evaluate your model's performance. We'll use our trained model to predict prices for houses in our test dataset. By comparing these predictions with the actual prices, we can measure how well our model generalizes to new unseen data. Congrats! You've built your first machine learning model. It's a simple example, but it showcases the core workflow of building and using machine learning models with Scikit-learn. Unleash the power of Scikit-learn, your toolkit awaits. Scikit-learn is a treasure trove of machine learning algorithms, evaluation metrics, and data pre-processing tools. It's designed for ease of use and consistency, making it a favorite among both beginners and experts. Beyond linear regression, Scikit-learn offers a wide range of algorithms for classification, clustering, dimensionality reduction, and more. It's like a Swiss Army knife for machine learning, providing you with the tools to tackle diverse data challenges. Remember, building a successful machine learning model involves more than just choosing the right algorithm. Data pre-processing, feature engineering, and hyperparameter tuning are equally important steps in the process. Scikit-learn provides comprehensive tools to handle each of these steps effectively. As you dive deeper into the world of machine learning, you'll discover the versatility and power of Scikit-learn. It's a valuable tool to have in your arsenal, empowering you to extract meaningful insights from data and build intelligent applications. Beyond the basics, where to go from here? You've gained a solid understanding of supervised versus unsupervised learning and built your first regression model using Scikit-learn. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of machine learning is vast and constantly evolving. From here, you can delve deeper into various aspects of machine learning, explore different regression algorithms like decision trees, and support vector machines. Experiment with classification algorithms to build models that can categorize data into different classes. The more you learn and practice, the more confident you'll become in tackling real-world machine learning challenges. Remember, the key is to stay curious, keep experimenting, and embrace the iterative nature of the machine learning process. Ready for the deep dive? TensorFlow awaits in Module 4. In our next module, we'll take our machine learning journey to the next level by diving into the exciting world of deep learning with TensorFlow. Prepare to unlock the power of artificial neural networks, learn how to build complex models for image recognition and natural language processing, and explore the cutting edge of AI research and development. See you in Module 4. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.